Welcome to our journey into the world of AI-powered personal growth. In this section, I want you to see why AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer for everyday life. Imagine juggling endless tasks, deadlines, and personal goals. Now picture having a personal assistant that organizes, prioritizes, and even inspires you to reach your full potential. That's what AI offers. For example, think about a college student overwhelmed by notes and assignments. With tools like Notion AI, they can quickly organize class materials, create study guides, and even generate summaries of complex subjects. The result? More time to focus on learning and less time scrambling for organization. Or consider an entrepreneur who's looking to grow their business. AI tools like ChatGPT can help brainstorm creative marketing ideas, while platforms like Canva AI can generate stunning visuals in minutes. The impact is clear: smarter decisions, greater creativity, and improved efficiency. No matter who you are, a student, a professional, or someone striving for personal improvement, AI can serve as your personal mentor, productivity booster, and creative catalyst. And the best part? It's accessible right now. Let's dive into the practical side of things. Here's how you can start using AI to enhance various aspects of your personal growth. First up, learning. Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7. With tools like ChatGPT, you can ask for explanations in simple terms or get creative analogies to understand tough topics. Khan Academy's AI tutor offers step-by-step lessons, while Duolingo's adaptive learning makes picking up a new language both fun and efficient. Here's a mini challenge. Pick one subject you've always wanted to learn about, ask an AI tutor for a quick lesson, and share your newfound knowledge with a friend or on social media. Next, let's talk productivity. Tools like Notion AI can help you organize notes and to-dos, while Reclaim.ai automatically schedules your tasks to fit your day perfectly. Imagine ending your day with a clear plan and a sense of accomplishment. Later today, try automating one daily task. Maybe it's scheduling your workouts or managing your emails, and track how much time you save over a week. For the creatives, AI is your new best friend. Canva AI can generate amazing designs. Runway ML adds spectacular effects to your videos, and 11 Labs can create realistic voiceovers. Whether you're a content creator or just love experimenting, these tools make creative expression easier than ever. Challenge yourself by creating a piece of content using at least one AI tool, be it an image, video, or written piece, and share it with your community. See what feedback you receive. Finally, let's focus on mental growth. AI isn't just for work or study. It can help you improve your well-being too. With apps like Wobot for daily mental health check-ins, Reflectly for mood journaling, and Headspace for personalized meditation sessions, you can keep track of your emotional progress and even discover patterns in your mood over time. Another mini challenge. Commit to using an AI journaling app for 1 week. Reflect on your mood trends and note any positive changes in your outlook. Now that you're starting to integrate AI into your life, you might be wondering, how do I know if it's working? Let's look at some simple ways to measure your progress. First, use time tracking apps like Rescue Time or Toggle. These tools can show you exactly how much time you're saving by automating tasks. Compare your productivity before and after using AI tools to see a tangible difference. Second, set clear, achievable goals. For instance, if you're using Duolingo to learn a language, set a weekly target, maybe learning 5 new words, and monitor your progress using the app's built-in tracking features. Third, leverage productivity dashboards within apps like Notion AI or Reclaim.ai. They offer visual reports of tasks completed, milestones reached, and even areas for improvement. Lastly, don't forget self-reflection. Use an AI-powered journaling tool like Reflectly to note down your daily mood and insights. Over time, these entries will help you see the evolution of your personal growth and mental well-being. Final challenge. Set up a 30-day AI-powered growth challenge. Choose one area, be it learning, productivity, creativity, or mental health. Track your progress every day, and at the end of the month, review your achievements. Share your experience with us and inspire others. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. As an amplifier, AI cannot do it all. There has to be something to amplify. So think of it as a 20/80 collaborative work where AI does most of the work for you. If you would like more details on the best practices to unleash your creativity using AI, comment prompt and check out this video on AI skills for every career. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI for personal growth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which AI tool you're excited to try out first. Stay curious, stay driven, and I'll see you in the next video.